What you're seeing now is how the Earth was being born 4.6 billion years ago. A huge amount of interstellar material was gravitationally brought together to form the most primitive Earth. In its infancy, the Earth was a very harsh environment. Like a giant fireball of hot liquid, the surface was covered in burning lava. Temperatures exceeded 1,200 degrees Celsius. About 4.5 billion years ago, a planet called Ia crashed into the Earth at 15 kilometers per second. A huge amount of molten lava was spewed into space, the largest impact in Earth's history. The majority of Ia's material merged with the Earth. The debris and gas and dust scattered by the impact continued to merge by gravitational forces. Eventually the Moon was formed. The Moon was only 20 to 1,000 km from Earth at this time. The collision caused the Earth to rotate very fast. There are only 6 hours in a day, but under the influence of the Moon's gravity, the Earth's rotation will gradually slow down, and the Moon will slowly get further and further away. About 3.9 billion years ago, a meteorite impact that lasted 20 million years brought large amounts of water to the Earth. The Earth's surface temperature dropped and oceans formed. 3.8 billion years ago, minerals on the ocean floor, in a chemical solution of carbon and amino acids. The first single-cell bacteria were born. They evolved photosynthesis over hundreds of millions of years, and released a steady stream of oxygen into the atmosphere, creating the conditions for life to flourish on Earth. 650 million years ago, the Earth entered the longest and coldest ice age, also known as the Snowball Earth period. A 3-kilometer thick ice sheet covered the Earth for tens of millions of years. Until a long-standing volcanic eruption, breaking the ice sheet and released huge amounts of carbon dioxide into the air. The Earth gradually became warmer. The perfect environment for life emerged. 540 million years ago, Earth's oceans saw an explosion in the reproduction and growth of tens of thousands of plants and animals. This phase is known as the Cambrian biogenesis. 375 million years ago, creatures began to gradually make their way onto land. First, plants and algae, then animals slowly crept up the coast and evolved limbs. About 200 million years ago, the Earth's climate became stable. Giant dinosaurs began to rule the Earth. They were by far the largest animals to ever live on Earth. About 66 million years ago, an asteroid 10 kilometers in diameter crashed into the Earth, causing the extinction of 99% of all life. Dinosaurs, which ruled the Earth for 165 million years, retired from evolutionary history. Its demise created the opportunity for mammals to rise to power. 4 million years ago, in eastern Africa, the first hominids to walk upright were the ground apes. They evolved over the next millions of years, with developed brains and flexible limbs, eventually placed humans at the top of the Earth's food chain, and thus began to dominate the planet.